Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to clear up system data on Mac. Let's start the video. If your Mac storage is suddenly full and you notice the system data is taking a huge amount of space, you are not alone. Many Mac users get confused because system data sometimes uses 20 to 50 or even 100 GB of storage, and macOS does not clearly show what's inside it. But the good news is you can reduce system data and free up a lot of space on your Mac. In this video, I will show you simple and safe methods to clear system data on Mac step by step. By the end of this video, your Mac will have more free storage and better performance. Let's get started. Step number 1. Let's check system data storage. Click on the Apple icon and then click on About this Mac. Now go on Storage tab. Wait for a second for the storage bar to load. Here you will see different categories like apps, documents, photos and system data. As you can see, it is calculating. Here you can see 25.81 GB is taken by system data. Okay, now close this tab. Now how you can clear this system data? Open Finder, click on the Go tab in the menu. Now click on Go to folder. Now here type the symbol, this is before number 1 key, then /library/caches and then click enter. As you can see, now you will see many folders. You can delete the contents inside these folders. Like I will open this folder and I can select all the files. I will drag them to trash can like this. All the caches are deleted. Just move the file to trash and empty the trash from here. Just empty the trash. As you can see, the trash bin is empty now. This can free several gigabytes of space. Okay, do it with all the folders which are unnecessary. Now you can also delete log files. Log files are created by macOS for diagnostics and they can grow over time. To remove them, again open Finder, click on this Go icon, then go to folder, then type here /library/logs, then press enter. As you can see here, delete unnecessary log files to free spaces. After this completion of all delete caches, sometimes system data becomes large because of temporary system files. A simple restart can automatically clear many temporary files. So after cleaning the files, restart your Mac once. Okay. And the last step is use storage management. Click on this Apple icon, open About this Mac. Now go click on Storage tab. Under Storage tab, you can see here Manage. Click on Manage. Here you can enable options like optimize storage, empty trash automatically. As you can see, it is turned on already. Reduce clutter. These features help keep your Mac storage clean. Okay, so that's how you can clear system data on Mac and free up spaces. In this video help you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.